Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Back again, different day, different video, different action camera. Right now I'm under a bridge. You can probably hear a train going by. It's a rainy day in London and I love it. I love it because I love puddles, I love reflections. But I have the DJI Osmo Action 5 here. This is probably my favorite action camera. Well, the 4 was probably my favorite action camera, and by looking at the specs on this, I think this is going to become my favorite action camera. What we're going to do, we're going to take some photos with it. I'm going to show you guys around the Big Ben, Westminster Bridge area in London, and we're going to take a few photos. What I do love about this camera is, same with GoPro, you can control a lot of the settings with your phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my base settings for today, and they are, just hold that 1 second. So guys, I'm screen recording and you can probably see, you can't see it here but I'll put it on screen. I have control over my functions. Right now I'm going to put my ISO to 200. I'm going to put my shutter speed to 1/200, and this is my base settings for now. My white balance is going to be auto. And if I change anything as I go along, I'll show you guys what I change. But guys, if you are new here, please like, please share, please subscribe. I don't know if you know much about this camera, but for photography, and you guys know I'm a photographer more than a videographer, you can shoot 40 megapixels. Let me show you I'm gonna put all the specs on screen now. So these are the photography specs, and it seems like it could be something really cool to shoot with. So let's go and test it out in London now. But like I said, if you are new here, please like, please share, please subscribe. I've done the same thing with the new GoPro, the GoPro Hero 13. I've done 2 shoots. I've done one where I edited the photos, and I've done one where I haven't done any edits on the photos. So that's in the description below. What I'll do is I'll show you guys the edited version in this video and the unedited version at the same time. All right guys, DJI Osmo Action 5. Let's go! So guys, I thought I'd do a quick voiceover here because the background noise was really loud. But as you can see, I'm on Westminster Bridge here, and the aim is to get Big Ben reflecting in this puddle using the DJI and using my iPhone to control the DJI. So what I'll do is I'll get the shot and I'll put them on screen now. Yeah, the reflection looks, you can get Big Ben reflecting.
Yeah?
Yeah, so you should maybe try it. Ever in London, I'm on Westminster Bridge, and this is a really nice place to shoot. You've got Big Ben, you've got the London Eye, and just the bridge itself is quite cool. You've got London buses going by all the time. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend shooting here if you visit London. So guys, I'm heading to my favorite spot around here. I'll show you. This kind gentleman's already said he'll move for me, but I'm gonna show you this spot now. So can see Big Ben is just there.
We got QR codes on.
I'm gonna put the DJI on this panel here, and I want to put some water on it and then reflect. So I don't know if you guys can see, that's the shot I'm gonna get from there. I'll shoot it with my phone so you guys can see up in detail. There, so I'm gonna get the shot in a second once he's finished talking. So, yeah, can I do that? Thank you so much, man. So I'm gonna get one shot there like that. So that's the first one, but I'm gonna put water on there. You'll see, I'll show you.
A professional photographer then.
I'm trying. So can you see it's reflecting a bit?
That's amazing, yeah.
But I'll get a bit more. So you got that there.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's
there.
smart, yeah.
Thank you, man.
Smart.
So I'll get that shot there. I know this guy's head's in the shot, but...
Excuse me, hello?
Sorry.
Hello?
Sorry.
You okay? You need any help? You just trying
Taking a shot. Thank you.
Can I see the small?
Thanks, man. Guys, as we're here, we'll just get one of Big Ben. Anyway. I want to try and get a little bit of the bus in it as it drives by. Try and get another one. And I'll put that on screen now. Yes guys, I thought I'd jump in here as I'm editing the photos. And I'm just jumping in to say that I'm really loving the results and the look on the computer. Obviously I had a look at them on the camera screen, but it doesn't do it justice. For me, these look absolutely amazing for an action camera on the computer screen. The edited versions you've seen are the raw photos, and I've edited them. The JPEGs, the unedited, sorry, are just the JPEGs, and I've literally just put them onto the video. The main difference is with the raw versions or the edited versions, I could fix the lens distortion. I couldn't fix any of the lens distortion on the unedited versions, but I'm loving both results, to be honest. I would definitely recommend this camera as an action camera, and if you just want something to take photos with. I always say it's not a photography camera, but you can shoot raw and you can take some really cool photos. Right now I'm going to get the last few shots just here on Westminster Bridge. I'm just literally reflecting the puddle and this guy that's in the shot. I'm not going to get a clear shot because people keep walking by, but I'm going to show you what I've got now. But guys, please let me know if you've enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think of the photos. If you are new here, please like, please share, please subscribe. If you're not new here, please like, please share, please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next one, which will be the GoPro Hero 13 versus the DJI Action Osmo 5 photography. Then I'm going to do a full review on both. So I'm going to show you video on both, time lapse, night modes, and some more photos. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.